What is that?
It's a twerking bear. The
This is Twit.
This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by Plex. Plex is offering Twit listeners a 30-day free trial of Plex Pass. Go to plex.tv/twit, code TWIT to start your free trial today. All right, it is time to set up this twerking bear because I have literally been waiting since, I don't know, when was the Amazon event? Whenever it was, earlier this week, to check this out. This is Gemmy, the twerking bear, and it works with Amazon Alexa. Let's go ahead and start with the process of setting up. It comes with a nice little tag that tells you everything you need to know about getting the plush activated. And our first step is to power on Gemmy the twerking bear. So underneath you'll find a little on-off switch. And by the way, Gemmy can be powered by batteries or by an adapter that's included with the box. And when using, oh, got some movement there. When using the adapter, it will actually, you can go ahead and keep the batteries in there because it will prioritize your adapter over the batteries. So I felt that was a pretty handy feature. So we'll go ahead and get started. On the front of Gemmy, by the way, Gemmy's shirt, pretty cool. I hope they make them for humans, is a little button here. And we hold this down for 5 seconds.
I'm ready for pairing with your Amazon Echo device.
I bet you are. So now we will hop into the Amazon Alexa app and get going and choose devices. And I am going to choose the Echo and choose the name of the device that I want to pair it with, and then underneath where it says pair Alexa gadget, at which point it will search for, using Bluetooth, Twerking Bear 0056. Tap on that, and then we're supposed to get a message from Gemmy over here.
I'm paired to your Alexa device and ready to play.
I bet you are ready to play. And now, what happens with Gemmy is essentially the voice is synced with the actual voice inside of your device. And so you will see the mouth move as I ask a question. So I'll say, Echo, tell me a joke.
Why did the fish study so hard? So he didn't have to drop out of school.
And then usually you'll get a nice little tushy shake at the end of that. Another thing that I can do is say, Echo, set a 15-second timer.
15 seconds, starting now.
I mean, how can you miss a timer ever again when you've got this happening? One of the other things, and you can see these arms are free moving, so I could set my little Gemmy bear however I would like to sort of, now it looks like it's ready to dance. Echo, play some classical music.
Here's a station you might like, Ultimate Classical, on Amazon Music.
I'm getting a little teary-eyed over here. Gemmy, you really make me appreciate the music. It's very clear by the pairing process what this device is meant to be. It's simply an accessory that's connected directly to one of the Amazon devices that you have in your home and only serves to sort of augment the process. It's not something that is meant to replace an actual device that you have. You don't communicate directly with it, but it just adds a little fun, a little whimsy, and by golly, for $10, a twerking bear is pretty fun to have. I will say too, that along with the more classic Gemmy that twerks, there's also a holiday version of Gemmy. So it's the same kind of bear, but instead it has a holiday hat on and a scarf. They also have a Santa version, which currently only costs $8. And so yeah, you can kind of get your twerk on in any way you like there for Well, in this case, the price is $12.69. That's nice, but normally it is they have deals and things like that that can bring the price down. So I was able to get Gemmy here for $10, and whether it's worth the investment depends on how much you laugh at twerking. For me, that happens to be quite a bit. I am Micah Sargent. Thank you for watching this episode of Hands on Tech, and I hope you tune in to the other shows that I do, including iOS Today and Tech News Weekly right here on twit.tv. I got a bear to watch. This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by Plex. Plex brings together all the media that matters to you in a single app on any device, no matter where you are. You can organize and stream your personal collection of movies, TV shows, music, and more, as well as enjoy live TV and DVR, all for free. Plex is offering Twit listeners a 30-day free trial of Plex Pass, which gives you access to all their premium features. Go to plex.tv/twit and enter code TWIT to start your free trial of Plex Pass today. That's plex.tv/twit. Echo, Simon says, subscribe to Hands on Tech.
Subscribe to Hands on Tech.
There you go. Even Gemmy wants you to subscribe to Hands on Tech, including that nice little butt waggle.